You guys know I had a chainsaw?
Yes,
No,
actually.
I didn't know. Well, I can't hear you over the sound of my chainsaw. Oh, if you let the log hit you in the head, you die. Am I alive? Ow!
Do you need to be revived?
No, I think I'm okay. That smarted real bad.
Man, we're just learning all the things. Log dangerous.
Guys, I just want to say I built a really sweet bridge. Like,
I
not
saw
gonna
that,
lie.
dude. You built that
This
in like two quick secs.
This is a
Does it
quality
lift
bridge.
up?
You like slammed that together.
No, don't go that way. Don't go that way. No.
You all right, Wade?
Are you rolling logs down a mountain, Wade?
It's more of a cliff. More than likely lost forever.
You know, they fall in the direction that you cut, so were you aiming?
Yeah, you
towards-
have 100%
Well, I was
control
trying
over
to aim,
that,
but it was
just to be
really
clear.
ambitious. It was an ambitious project I undertook, and it just didn't.
Oh my god. Oh. No! Oh, my bridge! Oh god, no!
Mark, where'd your bridge go?
I dropped a tree on it.
It's all gone.
Yeah, it sure is, yeah, man. I'm over here with my logs, so if you
There's
guys
no
could...
bridge at all.
Yeah, huh? I guess one happened to land on the bridge, and I'm still coming
You know,
to terms
Mark,
with that.
they fall in the direction that you cut them.
Oh my god.